I'm Earl, Batman Stringer.
I'm Crystal Lewis, aka The Fit Mom.
Yeah, we're brother and sister.
But we're also something else.
We're both
About that
fit life. Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. In today's video, I'm going to go over 3 exercises for beginners that you can do at home or pretty much anywhere. Point is, you don't have to go to the gym to get a good workout, all right? These 3 exercises are very common, but they can get the job done, all right? The first exercise I'm gonna go into is the squat, all right? So whenever you're doing the squat, all you wanna do is spread your legs a little wider than shoulder width, all right? You wanna lower, go down just like this. You wanna just imagine you're sitting in an invisible chair. You wanna try to keep that back straight, chest out, and just squat till you feel, make sure you're comfortable. Make sure you ain't feeling no pain or nothing like that. Squat, and then come all the way back up. Go down, back up. Down, back up. You wanna make sure your knees do not go over those toes. You wanna feel comfortable when you go down just like this. Come all the way up. Now, hit it from another angle, all right? Same thing so you can watch. Go down, squat, come back up. Squat, come back up. Squat, come back up. Now, you might be thinking, there's no weights. I thought you need weights to squat. No, you don't. You can just do no weights at all. You don't need to have a lot of weights to get a good effect from doing squats, all right? So throw that into a little routine, you're good to go. Next up, which is my favorite, I do these in my classes all the time, and it is the jumping jack, guys. Start those feet close together. And when you jump out, you wanna jump out, legs out, arms up. When you come back, don't cheat yourself, treat yourself. Bring those feet all the way back together. A lot of people, when they go out, then they'll halfway, nah. You wanna come all the way back. So jumping jacks, you wanna just boom, 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 boom. Bring your feet back together. All right, now a modified version of that for a lot of people like, yo, I ain't trying to do all that jumping. I ain't trying to do all that. My knees hurt, my feet hurt, blah, blah, blah. Modify it, start with your feet close together, and all you gotta do is step out. Step right leg out, left leg, right leg, boom, 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 boom. Now look, if you do enough of them, you will feel it, guys. You still getting the effect of the jumping jacks, even just by stepping out just like that, guys. All right, last exercise for beginners you can do anywhere, especially at home, is the mountain climbers, all right? Now with mountain climbers, you want to go down, okay? 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. And all you want to do, have them arms straight out, get comfy. You just want to switch them feet. Switch, switch, switch. But you really want to get that back leg all the way back, all right? When you switch, really extend the leg. Boom, 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 right? Now when you get more advanced, not more advanced, but when you want to pick it up, I guess it is a little more advanced, all right? You can pick up the pace, because initially you don't got to start fast, right? You can start here, switch, 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 but when you feel like you can work a little bit more, pick it up, boom, 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 boom. Boom, just like that, guys. Now, mountain climbs, you definitely will get a good workout doing those mountain climbs, but if you don't want to get down, you feel like that's a little too difficult, it's all good. You can grab a chair. Got a chair right here. You can grab a chair or a couch or a step or whatever. Anything you can kind of lean on a little bit. You can do the same thing. Look. Boom, boom, boom. Just like that, guys. Nice and easy, all right? So, guys, if you're just getting started working out, you have no excuse, right? You can get it in, still get it in. You can even just pick a number. You can do 10 squats, 15 jumping jacks, and 10 mountain climbs, guys. make that a little circuit for yourself. You can do it at the house, no problem. Do it, 5 times through just to get started, all right? Squats, jumping jacks, and mountain climbs. That's all you need to start seeing some results, guys. So put that work in, and hopefully you put that work in. And messed up, I gotta skip. All right, guys, that wraps up this video. If you haven't got yourself one of these BTFL shirts, About That Fit Life, link in the description. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out our new free book called Get Fit for Cash. This is where you will learn how you can get paid just for losing weight.
It doesn't get any better than that. In this guide, not only is it going to show you how to reach your goal, it's going to show you how to maintain your goal and get paid for doing it.
So check it out now. GetFitForCash.com. Link in the description. Let's go.